Hey folks, I recently bought these two glue guns from Hobbycraft for myself and my youngest daughter. But before I show you them in action, I thought I should make a quick video just giving a little bit more detail about the various types of glue guns to help you decide which type you should get. Glue guns are increasingly being used by professionals like carpenters because of the quick setting time, as well as in packaging because it's a far less expensive option than using tape. It's quicker to apply and results in a stronger package. For the crafter and STEM club too, hot glue guns can be invaluable, although there are a few things to consider. Hot melt glue guns operate at a temperature of around 195 degrees Celsius, whereas cool melt glue guns have a lower operating temperature of around 120 degrees Celsius. Hot melt have the advantage that there are a wider range of adhesive formulations available to choose from, and they're a good choice for sticking heat-resistant materials like wood, metal and heavy cardboard. Because of its lower temperature, cool melt glue guns are the safer option when using with children, since there's a reduced risk of getting a burn when using them. They also make a good option when sticking heat-sensitive materials such as fabric, foam, ribbon and styrofoam. Cool melt glue guns also tend to have a faster setting time. Now these are not the only options, as it's also possible to get glue guns with adjustable temperatures for both cool melt and hot melt glue sticks, as well as multi-temperature glue sticks that work in either hot or cool melt glue guns. Multi-temperature glue sticks are available in clear, coloured and glitter glue sticks depending on your application. For an even safer option, there's now the choice of an ultra low melt glue gun, which operates at only 75 degrees Celsius. These are a little trickier to find in the shops, although there are a few options available online, and I'll add some links in the description to various models. So I'm off to test those new purchases and I'll report back on my findings in the next video. Hopefully you found something useful in this one, and if so, you might want to subscribe and click that bell icon. It's completely up to you. See you next time.